Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, this is another quick and random episode. Get you guys a little bit of light action so you can see what it is. Some more Cardi B's from Reebox, the Club C's. Let me get you guys a little bit of box action. Get you second box action. Let's get these shoes out of here. We can't. Oh, that smell again. Woo. These shoes are, like I said, just weird. Somehow they smell chemical and feminine at the same time. Not a bad smell. It's a good smell. Weird smell. At least for me. Some people don't like it. Like this is how Barbie would smell in her house if you ever got to her house and Ken wasn't around. Let me get you guys both these up in here good. Let's check them out, guys. So far, so good. It's looking, the quality looks about decent. Smell is there. Let's get these sides. Pretty decent shit. We're spending out of time, guys, because I can't get them both into the frame, but I don't need both at one time, I guess, so let me take one over. We'll do this purple first. Not bad. If you've seen the Cardi B's, it's the same. It looks like they use a little bit better leather this time, or synthetic leather, whatever it's made out of. It's a little bit better quality than the last batch they had. No random hairs and strings. Cut this light out so you guys can get some fluorescent light action instead of Hollywood light. Do a spin without it. Very good shoe, especially for the ladies. If alternatives wear it, I guess it's okay too. I have no problem as long as you pay for the shoe. Let's get you some bottom action. Set this one to the side. This black one right here, this black and red one, it's my favorite so far. Maybe just because I'm a Jordanite and I like the bread colorway. Anytime another shoe company can get the bread colorway off, I pretty much support. Got these for a couple customers. I usually don't deal in the women's shoes, but unless they're Jordans, but a lot of people wanted these Cardi B's last time. You guys spin with this with the light on. So I got some more back. We sold out instantaneous again. So I thank all the ladies for coming past the shop. I'm going to put a couple pairs on eBay. So check the link down in the description below if you're interested in any. It will be available on my eBay. Threw a couple pairs up on the StockX and GOAT for cheap too, so you guys could get them. I'm happy that you guys did get them. Try not to beat anybody over the head and make sure that everybody gets the releases that they want, because I always get my releases. But yeah, definitely check out the Reebok Club C Cardi B's. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Stay safe out there and have a nice day, guys. Matter of fact, I'm going to have 2 more colorways of this shoe unboxing, and the video will probably be up tomorrow. And we're going to have a few more Jordans to unbox. Take it easy, guys.
Everybody fucking jump!